Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in social media Facebook we'll discuss about like philosophy. What basically is like all about? Why likes? What is the importance of likes on Facebook? So on and so forth. Let's get started with it. The like philosophy. Like is what everybody likes. Who doesn't? Facebook likes defines how good a page is. It clearly is a barometer, a yardstick that is used to measure the success of a Facebook page. It means the more the likes, the better the page, the more the popularity of the page. The more the popularity of the page, the more the business for you. The more the business for you, the more the customers. It goes and on and on. So it all starts with a like, one single like. The more the likes, it grows on and on. The likes have become the yardstick to measure the success of a page. That is actually the yardstick that is being used. That is set the criteria to measure the success of a Facebook page. The more the likes, the more the popularity of the page. Of course, yes, it is measure of the Facebook page. They boost traffic leading to clicks. How the clicks happen on the website? It happens on the traffic that is generated to a website. How the traffic is generated? Generated from multiple ways. It may come from other social media platforms, it may come from search engines, it may come organically, it may come from paid advertising. Similarly, traffic may also come from your Facebook page. From the people who like your page, they click on the links, they come to the website, who knows, they may buy your products, services or solutions. So it all boils down to the point of the like. How to get the likes? People are whacking their heads all over the world. People are hiring social media experts to get likes for them. That is not going to happen overnight. Nobody can do it. Now let's check what are some of the tricks that you can use to improve the likes. Likes happen and depend on several factors. Quality of the page in terms of optimization, content and videos. These are some of the factors that actually are considered good for a page to be liked by the users. Focus more on the kind of content that you are providing on the website. Focus more on the kind of content that is beneficial for the users. Optimize the page completely. Spend considerable amount of time in optimizing the page. That is what social media optimization is all about. Social media optimizing your platform on social media sites. Make sure that the page is completely optimized. You have the logo, you have the cover page, you have written about us, you have provided testimonials, you have given images and you have given videos. And the most important thing, when you do all this optimization, your interaction, your communication, your engagement with users is actually the bottom line. How you interact, communicate and engage with people, how quickly you respond to their questions and how you can provide a solution to a problem is all boils down to the point how you get the likes. The more the likes are actually based on several of these factors. Content, images and videos, engagement plays a key role in improving likes. If I come to a Facebook page of a particular company, I check the page and I want to ask a few questions to them. I put across a question or a two. I wait for some time, I leave the page. The next time I come back after a couple of days, my question is not answered by the publisher of the Facebook page, the owner of that business. What I would assume, they are not serious about their Facebook page. They are not serious about their Facebook marketing. They have not bothered to answer my question even after 2 days. I will be terribly disappointed. Do you think I will like that page? Never. So, engagement plays a crucial role, a critical role in actually building a fan base, building a likes on your page. If you respond quickly to what the users are asking, they are more likely to like your page. The more the engagement, the more the likes. Excite people with Facebook contests. One of the key differentiators that difference from a good page or an average page or a mediocre page is the engagement. And how you can engage? One of the techniques that can use and implement are the contests. You can organize contests on your Facebook page. That actually helps you in more engagement with the users. Add like button on the or box on the website. When you have a Facebook page, that like button can also be used and integrated on your website. You have a website that is independent of your Facebook page, right? Add the like button on your Facebook home page so that people who come to the website directly can also click on the like, and that like is actually going into your Facebook page. These are some of the tips that can use to increase your likes on the Facebook page. Now, what are the strategies that you can implement? Set goals based on specific and measurable parameters. If you have a Facebook page and you want obviously more likes, it doesn't happen overnight. You need to set goals that are measurable and based on certain parameters. Create a calendar. How many likes do I want on my Facebook in next 1 month? How do I get this many number of likes in 1 month? What do I need to do? Set goals and try to achieve them. Improve, enhance the page. It is your online identity. Keep on tweaking, improving, enhancing your Facebook page because that is your online identity. Use Facebook insights to understand how the users are behaving to the content that you have posted on your Facebook page. This is extremely important to tweak and enhance your Facebook page. Increase visibility of the page. Spread the message on different platforms of social media. Spread the message on blogs, on the landing pages, on websites, on email marketing. Make sure that the Facebook page is spread all along to increase the visibility. Create awesome content. Extremely important. The better the content, the more the engagement. The more the engagement, the more the likes. The more the likes, the more the traffic. The more the traffic, the more the business. Important that you provide awesome content. Be responsive and human. Extremely important. Be responsive and human. Stay rooted to your ground. Don't overhype. Don't promise the moon and the stars. Respond quickly and be consistent, offering true valuable solution. Plan monthly campaigns. Ensure that you can do a campaign, a paid campaign on Facebook also, so that you can increase the like and try a small campaign, see how it works. You can do this. Use analytics, whether you are doing paid advertising to promote your Facebook page, whether you are promoting your page organically, make sure that you use analytics, the insights of Facebook to improve your page and the fans or the likes. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is the likes philosophy, like tips and like strategies. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.